In this video, Bitcoin has made a massive resistance, but right now Bitcoin is forming a new pattern which we should be monitoring. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So diba sa previous video, sinasabi ko sa inyo, we have been expecting a bullish movement for Bitcoin up until the 66,500 US dollars. Kasi that is the previous resistance dito. And as you can see, we actually have gotten the rejection exactly dito to 66.5. The question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So, as you can see, we have seen an ascending channel dito. So, if this is an ascending channel, then this is telling us na this breakout na nakikita natin is going to go down to the 62,258, around that area. So in that case, that is the next target that we are going to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action, which is a movement back to the 62K. And on top of that, if you're going to look at the current movement, may bagong pattern na form, which is this falling channel dito with the Bitcoin price action. So right now, I won't be trading anything for now kasi gusto ko muna abangan kung ano yung mangyayaring next. And as you can see, wala masyadong sell volume dito upon this bearish breakout dito. So this can lead into a fake out then. So in this case, what I would be monitoring instead is this falling channel na lang. If saan siya mag-play out dito, and if magkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout dito, then yun yung ita-trade ko dito kay Bitcoin price action. So that is one of my next strategies na ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price action and the next update. And I think that's all the update I can provide for you guys for the time being. Just a quick update lang. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button down below so you won't miss out my next videos. And yeah, yun lang muna for now. I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye-bye for now.